Is Ally Bank only for U.S. citizens? Are you an international banking enthusiast eyeing Ally Bank? Wondering if its services are exclusively for U.S. citizens? Let's dive right into Clear the Air. Ally Bank has made quite a name for itself in the U.S. banking industry, offering a range of digital banking products with competitive interest rates and minimal fees. But a question often arises, is Ally Bank accessible to non-U.S. citizens? Let's break down the eligibility criteria and explore the potential workarounds. Ally Bank's eligibility criteria. U.S. residency. Primarily, Ally Bank caters to individuals who are U.S. citizens or permanent residents. This restriction is primarily due to U.S. banking regulations and the need to comply with various financial laws. Physical address. You typically need a physical address within the United States to open an Ally Bank account. This is necessary for verification purposes and to ensure compliance with U.S. tax laws. Workarounds for non-U.S. citizens. While Ally Bank's core services are primarily for U.S. residents, there might be a few indirect ways to access some of its benefits, especially for those with strong ties to the U.S. Family or friends. If you have a reliable family member or friend in the U.S., you could use their address to open an Ally Bank account. However, ensure that they are willing to receive important mail and notifications on your behalf. Mail forwarding services. Consider using a mail forwarding service that can receive your Ally Bank mail and forward it to your international address. This can be a convenient solution, but it might incur additional costs. An individual taxpayer identification number, ITIN, is a unique 9-digit number issued by the IRS to non-resident aliens and foreign entities. Having an ITIN can sometimes help you meet certain eligibility requirements for U.S. financial services, including banking. However, obtaining an ITIN can be a complex process, and it might not guarantee access to all Ally Bank's products and services. Limitations and considerations. International wire transfers. While Ally Bank offers international wire transfers, keep in mind that fees and exchange rates can vary. It's essential to compare these costs with other banking options to ensure you're getting the best deal. Currency exchange. Ally Bank primarily operates in U.S. dollars. If you need to exchange currencies, you might have to rely on third-party services or your home bank. Customer support. While Ally Bank offers customer support, it might be primarily focused on assisting U.S. customers. Language barriers and time zone differences could potentially impact the quality of support you receive. Alternative options for non-U.S. citizens. If you're a non-U.S. citizen seeking a reliable and convenient banking solution, consider these alternatives. Digital banking platforms. Many digital banking platforms, such as Revolut, Wise, and N26, offer international banking services with features like multi-currency accounts, low-fee transfers, and competitive exchange rates. Traditional international banks. Traditional international banks with branches in your home country and the U.S. can provide a range of cross-border banking services. However, fees and exchange rates might be higher compared to digital options. While Ally Bank primarily caters to U.S. citizens and residents, there are some potential workarounds for non-U.S. citizens to access certain services. However, it's crucial to weigh the benefits and limitations carefully before deciding if Ally Bank is the right choice for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.